Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go through a search terms report. I'm going to show you how to block, get rid of, excommunicate bad keywords that will come through regardless, no matter what kind of keyword match types you're running. You're going to get keywords that you don't want. Okay, it's just the way Google Ads works. Usually it's from phrase match or broad match. It'll just drag in a bunch of random shit that you really don't want to have your ads triggering for. So the only way to combat that is to add negative keywords directly from the search terms report. Now the trick is to add those keywords as root negative keywords, which I will explain in a minute. So this is more for beginner to medium-ish Google Ads users. This is not really advanced for advanced users. You should already be doing this. And if you're not, then you have bigger problems. So we're going to go through a live search terms report in a family law client. So let's just get right into it. We're going to go into the campaign, insights and reports, search terms. So the search terms, simply put, are just the keywords, the actual words that were typed into Google's search engine that triggered your ad. Okay, now here's the main keyword that this first one came from, right? It's a Spanish version of someone looking for a divorce in Houston. Okay, so that's how it works. It's not your exact keyword you're bidding on, right? I'm bidding on family lawyer as the main keyword here, phrase match, and I got family law center. Okay, so as you can tell by looking at this, you're getting shit dragged into your search terms that you don't want, essentially. So we're going to go through how to get rid of them. There's a couple different ways to do this. I have a tool that allows me to pull them out myself. You guys don't have to use that tool. That's fine. You can do it the old school way and just add them yourself. You're going to have to open up a Google Sheet, though, and you're going to have a third-party match typing tool to match type your negative keyword list. So I'll go through that as we go. All right, so essentially we're going to log in here. We're going to look at our search terms, and we're just going to scan and look for anything that pops out that is just something we just absolutely don't want that to trigger our ads. So I'm not going to get rid of the Spanish stuff because our client likes the Spanish type keywords, so we're leaving that. So let's just scroll down, and we're just looking for anything that pops out that I really don't want leads for my client for. All right, so right off the bat, common law. Grab that. So you're going to grab common law. See, my tool highlights it, but you're going to copy common law, add that into a Google Sheet or some kind of list, Notepad, whatever. We're going to build a big list of negative keywords. So when I copy it like that, it adds it to my list up here. And then I can match type it from here. Scroll down. Hello. So get rid of the word hello. And you can also check the box too. You really could be doing both. And that way we're able to exact match negative the keyword and get rid of the root keyword. So you really should be doing it that way. I get lazy sometimes, but so my husband filed for divorce and I can't afford an attorney. So you might want to grab something like can't afford an attorney. Oh, spelled it wrong. Can't afford an attorney. And you can't, I don't think you can check this box because it's more than 10 words. You're only allowed to add a keyword as a negative keyword directly from Google like this if it's under 10 words. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's too much. So you have to just grab the root, can't afford an attorney. Keep scrolling down. Sorry if I sound weird, guys. My allergies are freaking killing me right now. It's about to be May 2025, so it's that time of year. All right, keep scrolling down. These all look pretty good. And again, this campaign's pretty dialed in. Oh, here we go. 5-star. So we'll get rid of 5-star. Add that to our negative keyword list. Keep scrolling down. So court appointed. You're going to want to grab that. We just check this one too. Family law center. So you grab the word center. You can grab the whole keywords too. And scrolling down. These all look pretty good. So that should be it for this one. All right. So for the ones we have checked, all right. So pay attention. This is important here. The ones you have checked, you have to click add as negative keyword, campaign level. All right, you want to have a campaign level. And here's the part where it's kind of a bitch to do is it's going to automatically add them as exact match keyword negatives. So if you want to change that, you have to physically go into each one and change it to the quotes. So it's even another reason why you want to build the list yourself and then match type them. So first off, we're going to add these exact match, which means we're just telling Google, if anyone ever types in the word Family Law Center downtown, exactly that, nothing else, our ads will not trigger for that. Okay, so that's how that's going to work for all of these we're adding. Then you click save. Then we're going to go to keywords, negative keywords, add the blue plus sign here. And from here, make sure you have the right campaign chosen. We're going to add our list. So for you, if you're not using Keyword Me Tool, which there's a link in the description if you want to try it, if you're using a Google Sheet, you're going to go and you're going to copy all the keyword lists you built, the keywords you built from the search term report like we just did. You're going to put them into a third-party match typing tool like AdWordsWrapper.com, I believe, is one of them. And then you're going to choose phrase match because at least that's how I do it, right? I add all of my negative keywords as phrase match. So in the tool here, I'm just going to have phrase match checked, copy all, paste, save, right? And that's how you're going to add your negative keywords directly from the search report. Now, it's really important, guys. This is not a one-off thing. You're going to have to go into the account at least once a week. All right, if you're spending a lot of money, so this guy's spending $150 a day, Monday through Friday. So once a week's fine, right? I usually don't go into an account and do negative keywords more than once a week unless the account is spending like $1,000 a day, okay? Because then it becomes a whole different ballgame because you're getting hundreds and hundreds of clicks, possibly a day, and you have a lot of data to go through, so you want to stay on top of it. So that's more of a 2 or 3 time a week thing if you're spending money like that and getting that high of click volume.